What's up guys? Welcome back to my vlog. My name is Rika. I am the female singer of the Road Serenade Band's main team. I am also the band manager, page admin, social media manager, and ako rin po yung sumasagot ng inquiries nyo dito sa page. For this vlog, let's talk about basic sound system setup versus sound system setup with band performers. Mostly, basic sound system can accommodate a solo performer, a karaoke setup, and also duo acoustic band. Merong mga venue na usually nag-o-offer ng sound system sa package nila. But here's the problem. Ang basic sound system ba kayang mag-accommodate ng trio acoustic band, semi-full band, at ng full band? Kapag nag-hire ka ng band, hindi lang basta basic setup ang kailangan. Lalo na kung ang i-hire mo ay trio acoustic band, semi-full band or yung 4-piece band na tinatawag, and also the full band. Usually, merong 5 to 6 members. Kada dagdag ng bilang sa banda, nag-iiba ang setup. Especially band performers will be needing monitor speakers. Miss Rika, ano yung monitor speakers? Monitor speakers ay yung mga speaker na usually nyong nakikita sa harap ng band performers na nakatutok sa kanila. Gaya nito. Ano ba ang purpose ng monitor speakers? They allow band members to hear customized mix of their own vocals and instruments over the crowd and stage noise. Aside din sa monitor speakers, backline will be needed if the venue is big, the number of guests are more than 100, and the performers are 5 to 6 members, or yung tinatawag nating full band. So dear clients, kapag sinabi ng venue na meron silang basic sound system, doon pa rin po tayo magbe-base sa setup ng banda na i-hire nyo. Whether they're trio acoustic band, semi-full band, or full band. Para hindi ka na ma-stress or gusto mo ng less hassle sa pagkuha ng iba't ibang suppliers, dito sa Road Serenade Band and KS Lights and Sounds, we offer package rates such as band performers with band equipments, lights and sounds, LED wall, backdrop, photo booth, mobile bar, DJ, hosting, and even dance instructors. Alam mo yung best part? You get all of this with just one contact person. And that's me. Let's make your event unforgettable. Ilalagay ko dito sa baba yung contact details namin. I hope may natutunan kayo on this vlog. See you on my next video. Bye!